Britney Spears has reportedly finished her long-anticipated book that is set to spill secrets on the years she was under a conservatorship and her toxic family feud. Unfortunately, fans of the superstar, 40, may be waiting a long time for the tell-all memoir, as a reported paper shortage has delayed the release date, it has been claimed. Britney has been embracing life to full since the end of her conservatorship in November, getting married to long-term partner Sam Asghari, plotting a comeback and now finishing her book. Sources told TMZ that the sometime singer and her team were hoping to release the book, set to be published by Simon & Schuster, in January, but a paper shortage has scuppered the plan. Dishearteningly, there is no indication of when the shortage will be solved, and so no firm publishing date for the singer's memoir, the sources added. TMZ reported that Britney's publishing deal, which she signed in February, netted her a $15 million advance, and there is set to be lots of material to vent about. Earlier this week, the pop sensation revealed she had stepped foot into a bar for the first time ever, aged 40. Taking to her Instagram story on Thursday, the former child star filmed herself at a bar wearing an orange vest top, large sunglasses and her signature choker. She told the camera as she beamed, "This is my first time at a bar. First time. I feel so fancy and I feel so sophisticated." Britney sarcastically captioned her post, "So glad they took my rights away for 13 years to have a cocktail. Am so grateful y'all." During her 13-year conservatorship, Britney is said to have been banned from consuming alcohol backstage on tour and is even said to have had a clause in the conservatorship stating she couldn't drink. Last month, she also alleged that she was made to take a number of drug tests each week. Read more. And it was also claimed during her court case that she was forced onto contraception during her conservatorship and banned from getting married. Now it seems the mom of two is wasting no time moving on from the restrictions, as she is reportedly working with Sir Elton John to record a new rendition of one of his biggest hits. The icon last dropped a new single back in 2020 while her legal battle to dissolve her conservatorship was still ongoing. However, sources have revealed that Britney and Elton are pairing up to record a new version of 1971 hit Tiny Dancer. It is said that Britney met with Elton, 75, at a studio in Beverly Hills to make the hit. An insider told Page Six, "This was Elton's idea, and Britney is a huge fan. They have recorded a remix of Tiny Dancer as a full duet, and it is incredible." The source added, "Britney is officially back. She's back to work, and she's super excited."